Since I started wearing this, I've never had to go back to the beauty salon. Many know the application of cinnamon as a flavoring or to give that delicious touch to our chocolates, teas, desserts, etc. However, few its application in the health of our hair. This serves as an alternative to chemicals. With it, we can get a hair more silky, shiny and smooth. One thing to keep in mind is that when you talk about a cinnamon hair mask, your first effect will be to strengthen the follicles in your hair and accelerate its growth. In this way, you can achieve the desired color level for your hair. This is due to the fact that cinnamon has a high content of vitamin and antioxidants useful for the health of your mane. However, those who can achieve a better effect will be those people with a brown hair. After a few applications, your mane will look much clearer. But this does not mean that people with another hair color will not be able to achieve the desired results. For example, those who have black hair should apply this treatment several times and have a little more patience. What we will need: 3 spoonfuls of cinnamon powder, from 5 to 6 tablespoons of balm or conditioner for hair, 3 spoonfuls of honey. Something that we must emphasize is that, with these ingredients only the mixture can be prepared for a single wash of hair if you have it long. If your hair reaches your shoulders, you can divide the substance for 2 washes. Preparation and use: 1. Take a clean container and mix the cinnamon powder with the honey. Slowly move so that a homogeneous substance is obtained. Once this is done, we proceed to add the conditioner and mix again. 2. Next, you take the mixture in your hands and rub it in your hair, or you can brush it if you want. One thing to keep in mind is not to put that substance on your scalp or the skin of the face. If you do, you may experience some discomfort or irritation. 3. After applying the mask, you must take your hair and wrap it in a plastic bag and cover it with a towel. Let it stand for about 30 minutes and proceed to remove the towel only. The plastic bag should remain there for about 4 or 5 hours. After that time, wash your head with plenty of warm water. Once this process is finished, you will be surprised by the